It's the Math Corner with Waldo. I'm back. In the first section, we factored, or we learned how to factor, or we got better at factoring. Hopefully, you got better at factoring. In this section, we're going to find all the zeros. And for our example problem in this one, we're going to have f of x equals x to the fourth minus 16x squared. In the previous lesson, we've learned how to factor, and we got better at it, or we're already experts at it. So in this one, we're going to factor out the x squared because we're going to simplify it to something that we can actually factor. So we take out the x squared from both x to the fourth minus 16x squared. When we take that out, we take what's left and put it inside parentheses, and we have x to the square minus 16 because we took x squared from x to the fourth, which leaves us another x squared. And when we take away x squared from 16, we have 16. Now we just simply factor what's left inside the parentheses, x squared minus 16. And that gives us x plus 4 times x minus 4. With the x squared that was put outside the parentheses that we reduced everything else with, we have x squared times x plus 4 times x minus 4. Of course, always verify your factoring to make sure that that's what's really is going on. Trust but verify. Now, lastly, we're going to do the easiest part behind this. We're going to solve for x against 0 against all values of x. So first we have x squared. And x squared equals 0. X is simply 0 because anything times 0 is 0. Our next problem is x plus 4 equals 0. And we just take the opposite of the positive 4 and we have x minus 4 or x negative 4. And then our last problem is x minus 4 equals 0. X will equal 4. So our three zeros from this problem will be x equals 0, negative 4, and 4. And that's pretty much it for finding the zeros in section 2. We'll be back in section 3. And section 3 will cover symmetry, where we actually start getting close to graphing this. And we're already 2/5 of the way through what common algebra is for high school and college algebra. Good job.